Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a key lime pie. What's unusual about this pie is that it's going to use avocados for the filling, and the avocados give it a great texture and a great color, though you don't really taste the avocados. Really, the key lime flavor kind of covers that up. And it's going to use a traditional graham cracker crust. Now, I've already showed you how to make your own vegan and gluten-free graham crackers in another video, the Lingonberry Cheesecake video, so you can watch that to see how to make the graham crackers. But I'll show you how to make the crust and the filling, and let's get started. We're going to start out making the crust, and we're going to take enough graham crackers to make 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. So we're going to place them in a food processor and just pulse them until they're ground up. And then place them in a bowl along with 1/4 cup of sugar and mix that together. And then we're going to add 1/3 cup of vegan butter, which has been melted. Mix that all up. And then we're going to press it onto the bottom and sides of a pie dish, which has been sprayed with some oil. Just press it with your hands to get it nice and even. And then we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Next, we're going to make the filling, and we're going to take 2 cans of coconut milk, which have been chilled in the refrigerator at least overnight, and just scoop out the thick part on the top. Depending on how long they've been in the refrigerator, they might get pretty hard, but just scoop that out. And then we're going to take 2 heaping tablespoons of kuzu and add some of the liquid from the coconut milk cans that were left over, just enough to dissolve the kuzu. Just keep mixing it up until it gets completely dissolved, so there's no pieces left. And then we're going to take 1.5 cups of agave and add that to the coconut cream in the saucepan. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of key lime juice. And just heat that up over medium heat and just keep mixing it together until it's all dissolved. And we want to bring that to a boil. Once it starts boiling, we can turn the heat down and then add in the kuzu mixture and whisk that in. And then we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of agar powder, or 2 tablespoons of flakes if you have flakes instead of powder. And you want to whisk that in and just keep whisking it over low heat until everything is completely dissolved. And you'll also notice it start to thicken a little bit. And then just take that off the heat. And now we're going to take 2 avocados and place them in a food processor. And then add in the coconut cream mixture that we just cooked up. And we're just going to blend everything together until it's nice and smooth. And then just pour that into the baked crust. And then just smooth out the top with a knife so that the top is nice and smooth. And then chill it until it's set, preferably overnight, and it's ready to serve. Thanks everybody for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and tune in next time for some more great recipes. I will see you then.